What is AI automation? What if I told you that AI automation could save you hours every day, eliminate tedious tasks, and help you focus on the stuff that actually matters? Seriously, no cap. This is your golden ticket to working smarter, not harder. Stick around, and by the time we're done, you'll know exactly what AI automation is and how to use it today to level up your life. Spoiler alert, it's simpler than you think. Let's start with the basics. AI automation is like that one friend who always gets things done, fast, efficient, and smarter than you'd expect. It's the combo of artificial intelligence, AI, which learns and adapts, and automation, which handles repetitive tasks on autopilot. Think of it as your digital Swiss Army knife. It tackles everything from managing your inbox to running full-blown business processes. Picture this. Automation follows a script, like an old school assembly line. But AI, that's next level. It's the upgrade that learns as it works. It's like going from a flip phone to the latest smartphone. And the AI actually gets smarter over time, figuring out how to make your workflow even better. So how does this magic actually work? AI automation is powered by algorithms, machine learning, and data analysis. For example, businesses use it to predict trends, personalize marketing, or manage customer support with bots that actually get what people are asking for. But you don't need to run a big corporation to get in on this. Whether you're a side hustler or a content creator, tools like Make, Calm, N8N, or Zapier make it easy to plug into this tech and start crushing it. Here's how you can start today. 1. Content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm, write captions, or even whip up full blog posts. Pair it with automation to schedule and post while you're catching Z's. Work smarter, not harder. Literally. 2. Email. Marketing. Automate email campaigns that slide into your customers' inboxes at the perfect time. It's like setting up a digital pen pal, but without the awkward waiting. 3. Customer support. Tired of answering the same old questions? Let an AI chatbot handle it, freeing you up to focus on the big picture, or just enjoy a coffee break. So, what's the TLDR? AI automation isn't just some fancy tech buzzword. It's like a cheat code for your life and business. Whether you're looking to reclaim your time, boost productivity, or just flex on your peers with how efficient you are, AI automation is the move. Let's hear it. What's one thing you'd love to automate today? Drop it in the comments and let's dream up something epic together.